3M oil-filled termination installation. Read an installation drawing and instruction carefully, and familiarize the whole installation process before installation. Fix the cable onto steel support bracket vertically and fasten it using clamps. Measure total cutback length of the cable where the termination will be installed. Allow additional length for adjustment. Make 2 marks on the surface of the jacket. Remove the cable jacket between the 2 markers. Clean the aluminum sheath using dry cloth and stearic acid. Open up the edge of the aluminum to prevent damage to the cable insulation and semi-conductive layer. Overwrap with evenly distributed heating tape. Insert temperature sensor under the heating tape. Heat the cable at temperature of 80 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. After heating, use angular aluminum plate to keep the cable straight, and let it cool down to room temperature naturally. Use special peeling tools to remove the semi-conductive screen and primary insulation according to the dimensions given in the installation drawing. Abrade the insulation with sanding machine, and then change to manual sanding. Ensure that the diameter is consistent at different positions on the insulation, and there are no cuts or defects. Accessory installation. Park heat shrink tube, funnel, seal ring onto the cable in the correct sequence. Fix the base plate to the post insulator. Ensure the base plate is in a horizon position. Clean the cable insulation with approved cleaner. Inspect stress cone and clean the bore of the stress cone. Dab grease inside of the bore of the stress cone and slide it onto the cable. Install the pressure ring to tighten the stress cone. Install the connection bolt and crimp with correct die size. The bolt must be kept vertical and straight with cable while crimping. Apply semi-conductive tape and water-blocking tape on the crimped barrel. Fill in the gap between the bolt and insulation. Install heat shrink tube over the tapes. Clean the polymeric insulator. Make sure that the inside of the insulator is clean. Install polymeric insulator. Be careful not to damage the cable insulation. Pour the filling compound. If temperature lower than 10 degrees Celsius, heat the compound to 60 degrees Celsius before pouring. Stop pouring when the oil level reaches about 200 millimeters from the flange. Install the O-ring to the bolt seal and install the metal cover. Install the lock nut and tighten it using the correct tools. Install shielding cap as per field requirement. Solder the funnel to the cable metal sheath. Wrap water blocking tape and armor cast tape. Install the heating shrink tube for protection. Oil termination installation has been completed.